3, 2, 1, launch.
You need more power.
No, I think you need to push it or something like that. Oh! Oh my god! It's already so wet. I'm genuinely scared. Oh my god, the Sony is wet too. Look at my freaking phone. It's so... Oh! Everything is already so wet.
Come on, wrench test. What
Are
are you doing?
Fucking kidding me?
Initiating. Welcome back to my daily grind. Create yourself is what you'll find me doing every day and every night. No time to lose. One day, one step in the right direction. I'm Chris and I'm only here to show you if I can do it, you can do it too.
Welcome back to the vlog. It is Sunday, another day, another chance to push out. And the topic for this vlog is flying the Parrot Anafi for the first time. So let's get it. By the way, all the equipment vlogs right here, watch them all. But before we get started, love goes out to all my subscribers. Thank you for making my life special and worth living to the max. So let me try to get back with a sweet video. Well, isn't that the perfect day for testing the drone for the first time? It's literally snowing. What am I thinking? He brought the Spark, I brought the Anafi. Oh my god, I almost slipped. I'm so excited though. Let's test the freaking drones. It's snowing. That's so stupid. And why is it so... It's too bright.
It's okay.
It's cold too. God damn it. So here we go. Okay. Oh my god. I'm already shaky. Not only because I'm excited. Okay. Thanks. Oh no, what the hell? I'm so stupid. Dude, I forgot the freaking cable. It's alive.
No, it's on.
Oh, there we go. But I forgot the cable for real. I legit forgot the cable for the phone. See you in a bit. We're
Another
back.
day, another chance.
It's already Monday. Gloves, another jacket. This is the best idea ever. It's like, why? What am I doing? Come on, unpack the Spark.
Really?
Why not?
Fly together?
Yeah, man, let's fly together.
Okay.
When I tested the drone, oh, there we go. I just wanted to complain, but hey, the app just opened up. In order to optimize flight, we're going to update an no. Okay, well, it's already 2 weeks ago since I did the well, whatever.
Sending the drone.
No cables. Freaking firmware update. What's next? Drone crash.
What possibly goes wrong?
Damn English skills. It is snowing. It's already super wet. There is no protection on these outrunners. I think this is a really stupid idea.
Should we film the whole time?
I don't even know how to film. I guess so. Yeah, let's film the whole time.
Calibrate. Oh, come on.
Your drone is ready to fly. Please don't die on me. Enable hand launch? What? Yes. SD error. Are you kidding me? Take off. Ah! Oh, what the hell? Oh my god. There it is. Oh my god, it's super stable. It's stable and it's flying. Let's go in this direction. Oh wait. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Bro. How can I freaking turn it though? How can I turn it? Up and down. Oh, this is how I turn it. Oh my god, it's turning so slow. Look at this. Oh my god, this is crazy. Oh, that worked, thankfully. Oh my god. It's already so wet. I'm genuinely scared that... Oh my god, the Sony is wet too. Everything is already so wet.
Come on, wrench test. What
Are
are you doing?
Fucking kidding me? It's so wet as f.
Yeah, try.
Look at my freaking phone. It's so... Oh. Oh my god, even the mirror is fogged up. So we found a place, a hideout, a freaking toilet. Look at this freaking mirror. Can you see it? It's fogged up. So stupid. This was the dumbest idea ever. Everything is so freaking wet. Well, I'm already in the process of drying it up. Next up is drying up my rig, and maybe we will just fly the drones from here. Why not? So stupid though. This is so stupid. Progress. I just formatted the SD card. We're now ready for another launch. So I got my phone right there.
And the drone.
Hand launch. Let's go. Wait. What the heck? 3, 2, 1, launch. Oh, you need more power. No, I think you need to push it or something. Oh, Jesus. Oh! Oh my god! That was crazy! Oh my god! Okay, I'm actually taking a video right now. I take this video.
How was the distance?
Bro, I have no idea. Straight ahead? Oh yeah, that's a good idea actually. Oh my god, this is crazy! Oh my god! Oh my god, this is already so far away. How do I turn? Oh my god, I forgot. Oh yeah. That's crazy. Straight? Are you kidding me?
Bridge test.
No, with the next battery. Let's fly back home. Right there. Oh, yeah, that's the one.
Now you know it.
Through the bushes.
No, that's the
Runway. No.
Oh my god. I have no idea what I'm doing. What the hell? Oh yeah.
I think it's crashing. No. Forward. Down. To the right. Handheld. Forward.
It's not that easy, okay? Wait.
And land. Okay, landing.
Wait. I will,
Landing.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, this is crazy! This is insane! So, new battery. Temperature is too low to take off. Are you kidding me? Warm it up. 60%. This is such a stupid idea. Like, all in all, this is so stupid. It's genuinely stupid. The next idea would be a range. Oh my god, I would just put this one in my pocket. Well, a range test. Just flying along this way. But yeah, it's too cold apparently. I just had this battery in my pants. Warm enough now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Nice one.
This is scary.
I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want. Tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you
Oh my god. Oh. I have no idea like about the distance and stuff.
stay. No. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just
Oh no, the connection is only one. Oh no. Oh no.
I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah. I just wanna be.
Come on.
I just wanna dance all night. Forget my problems. I might.
Oh my god, this is so crazy. This is so crazy. I just flew around this freaking lake or whatever this is. This is insane. Oh my god. What am I doing?
So, can I grab it?
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
That
Okay.
dropped though. That slipped back into the layer. That was actually freaking awesome. Please stick. Thanks. Oh my god, my freaking toes are killing me. So cold. It is not freaking funny. This is how I warmed up the battery. Right there. Oh, it's so warm. But I think that's enough. That's enough fun for today.
No. The highest point. You need to know the highest point. If I drop it here.
One last
Good.
test. Oh, 36%. This is the same battery, by the way.
Yeah.
Oh, that was smooth. Oh my god, that was smooth. Okay, right there. And up we go. Without the sport mode, though, it's kind of slow. It's still going up, I can't tell. Geofence reached. I can't go higher than that. 98 feet.
There it is. This little point.
There is apparently a limitation, but I think you can actually deactivate it somehow. I just don't know how. And I can't really access my phone because it's wet as hell. So let's just go down again. Oh my god, this is looking beautiful. Amazing. You're going for the catch again?
Catching.
3, 2, 1. Oh, what the hell? It just turned off. It literally just fell out of the sky. Damn, that was crazy. That was stupid, but awesome. Thank you so much for the support. You can find his links in the description. Check out his Instagram, follow him. But yeah, it's getting really, really cold. Like my toes are actually hurting quite a bit and it's already getting dark. So yeah, that's enough progress for today. Smash that like button the way I thankfully didn't smash this drone today. I don't know how, but thankfully. Bang the bell like to never miss crazy vlogs, I guess. Check the recent news on ChrisViral.com. And yeah, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow.